I don't want the sub goal, but I also feel bad. Wait, what?
Oh, this
What
guy
did you
really said
Dream? What did you
fucking
just
something.
do? Dream. What did he just save? Dream just saved something from Snapchat. I just got a notification. Dream saved to camera roll. What did you just save? What did you save? Wait, was it the most recent one?
No, it was something that was saved, and then I unsaved it because I had saved it.
What was it? Wait.
Do you really want to know?
Yes, show me.
All right.
What is Snapchat used for? Think about it.
Yes! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Don't show it! Don't show the context! That is the best meme I have gotten you with in like the longest time. Oh my god! The setup, everything! It was beautiful! It was beautiful! There's this like dumb photo that I took like so long ago of like a rooster like blow up, and I used to like meme George with it. He'd ask me to see something, and I just send him a photo of it every time, and like he'd always like get fooled. He'd think I'm about to sound like, oh fine, I'll send it. Then I send it, and it's just like the chicken picture. And so I just did it again. Like I haven't done that in like a year and a half probably, where I memed him with that dumb rooster, but I did it again, and he totally fell for it because he was expecting something totally different.
You're so dumb.
I got you with that picture a long time ago. Like this meme was probably from like 3 years ago, and like I remember I like sent you that picture, like a year or two after it, like randomly, and I got you with it. And now now you just call me back like a year again later.
Yeah, don't show the photo, but
why?
Just don't. That's funny though. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. That was so good. Finally, I got you again. I like saved it knowing like, okay, I need this photo, but then you'll have no idea what it is that I saved. You'll like beg to see it, and then I'll just send it.